Texas, and we about to go test it at the back of the track. You know, the wind sucks. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry about the wind. Oh, nice. Alright, first hit, really soft. We had her as soft as this dude right here. That dude's softer than soft serve. Make some adjustments, get on the charger for a little bit, fuel her up, see what happens. Hey, Cody.
Supposed to do that. That's hot.
Wee! Wait, here, I'll go towards you. Wee! Ow!
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Ah, wee! Pushed both head gaskets out. Which doesn't make any sense, but yeah. We ended up popping both head gaskets out of her. Torch the head gaskets. Well, we got her out. That's Poland's Z8. My guy here says he watches my YouTube channel, and guess what, my boy? Now you're gonna be on the YouTube channel.
How's it going?
What's up? Is that your F-150 right there?
Yes, sir.
What'd you get done to it over at Hicks Off Road, bro? What'd you?
Leveling kit, 2-inch leveling kit with 33s put on it.
Yeah, right here at Hicks Off Road, bro. Look, they work on race cars right here, and they can level your F-150 and put some tires on it for you right there. You can get a tune up, or you can get a tune down and a tune up at the same damn time. Okay, you can see we pull the motor out of that freaking car again for the number 6 time. We threw it in the back of the truck. We hauled the Ace back to Outlaw. We went back to Phoenix, and we had him do a whole nother short block again because we torched the block as well. This is my Jeff.
Stop it.
What are you doing?
I'm torquing up your veins so that I can get your bearing clearances, Brent.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, hello, Richard.
Rub your bearings.
Oh, yeah, rub my bearings.
It feels so smooth.
Yeah, rub some good luck on these bearings.
Yeah.
Because
Please give it some Amish blessing.
Oh, this is a Fart XXLS block. Yeah, that's nice. My boy's an outlaw. Got me fixed up again. My name's Jeff. Stayed late. Got me fixed up. He said, hey, stupid. Don't fuck it up this time, okay? So, Rob, I didn't give you the opportunity to help me put it together. Sorry, bro.
Not this time,
And Brett,
but-
you just kidding. I'm just kidding. So anyway, we about to hit the road back to Texas. We got a new bullet in the back of the truck. We got about 2 or 3 days to get this thing in. And I think we can make it. I think we're going to be all right. We're going to make it. Well, I drove all through the night. I did pull over for about 2 hours, got me a little sleep. Got back to Wichita Falls here at about 11 o'clock this afternoon, and I went and crashed out. It took me a little nappy nap. I'm still pretty dang tired, but we got to throw this old girl together. So
Okay.
children, knock it off. Straps? We don't need no stinking straps. What are that freaking straps? Wait. No. Not me hold. Yeah. Mr. George. Mr. Jason. My new guy. It's no good. He no uses the straps. Anyway, we blew our again, so we're not going to Florida, so that's pretty cool. We didn't blow it up, but it pushed water. Cylinder 6 was full of water, and we're not going to make it to Florida. We're supposed to leave tomorrow. I literally have pushed it out as far as I can. It's definitely not from lack of effort. I've made several trips to AZ, and I don't even know what to say anymore. So I thought I was going to give up, but I did not. I have a good group of guys in my corner that definitely gave me some motivation to get this thing over to Hicks Off-Road so we could get it torn apart, put a set of head gaskets in it, we put a trans and a converter in it. We got this bad boy ready to go. I thought I was giving up, but my boys will not let me do it. Oh yeah, good as new, boys, good as new. Yeah, but that extra little tap makes her. We get the voices on there. The voices. Like the voices is us.
You got those 3/4 inch head studs in there.
3/4 racing cam in it. Who, me?
Now he's the one going home and sit together right here.
Whoa!
Hey! God! What?
Oh, kid! I got her done! New tram, different computer, head gaskets, head fixed from the machine shop. Let's go to Florida, boys! Well, there you have it. We's on our way to Florida. The car went in the box. Mr. Kyle came down to help us. Of course, you saw Dad was helping us, and you saw Rudy was helping.
Oh yeah.
We on the way to Florida, so we getting it. We're going to Florida, boys. We going to fuck up some all-wheel drive. Well, we gonna try anyways. To us, it's a huge victory just to even be on the road to Florida. That's a victory in itself right there. So we already winning. The rest of the trip is a bonus for us. But
struggle.
we on the way was definitely not easy task. We had to work for it, but we on the way. As always, we appreciate y'all hanging out. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell your grandma and your dad, the neighbor's pet.
Your mom and them.
Tell Kyle. Kyle does injectors. Tell Dad. Tell everybody. Tell everybody to walk.